Leave the steering. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Just slowly reverse.
Wow. This is really good.
That's pretty cool, right?
Oh.
Slow down, slow down, slow down.
Okay.
Yep. Just take it easy.
Hi folks, welcome back to Go Car India. I'm your host Rohit, and today we have come to cover an event from Volkswagen. So we are here to experience the all-new Tiguan and its off-roading capabilities. So Tiguan, you associate it with being very sophisticated car, but then it can do this stuff as well, the dirty stuff, that is the off-roading, and it is definitely going to show you some muscles that it has. So we are going to uncover this particular car through these terrains, and just watch this video until the end so that you get to know how beautiful this car is.
Whatever the instructor says,
Sure.
just trust the car. Purely just trust the car. You'll feel a little hesitant, you'll feel a little scared. Okay, would it do, would it not do?
Yeah.
I myself felt hesitant. So yeah, it's good. You're good. It's all gonna do.
Yeah.
It's gonna do what it's supposed to.
Yeah.
Just trust the machine. That's it. Yeah, you can go like say, nice and slow.
Sure.
I would say use both,
Yeah.
like brake and accelerator at the same time. And don't go past 2,500. 2,000 is
2000 is enough. Okay.
2,000 enough, but don't come off instantly.
Yeah, yeah.
Keep it gradual, keep it nice, like,
Mhm.
around say. Yeah, which is perfect.
Okay.
So potholes of silkwood.
Okay. All over Bangalore. So this is gently getting you into this
Yeah.
mood of off-roading,
That's it.
and then after this,
Yeah, and this
Yeah.
is a little scary. Not that scary, I would say.
yeah,
Just a
parabolic
little
drive. Yeah, yeah.
scary. Little frustrating.
Okay.
Pull left. Good slow. Slow.
Okay.
Keep your foot on the brake also.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice and slow. You good?
Okay. Straighten
Just
it up a
trust the
bit.
car.
Yeah,
Straighten it out.
yeah. Yeah. So
Good
it
go.
has stopped on its own.
Stop on its own.
Yeah.
Throttle it.
Okay. Okay. Pretty much it does its
Yeah.
own thing. Okay.
Straighten it out. Straighten it. Straighten it.
Yeah.
Straight, 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 straight. Stop, 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 stop.
The driver who's with Chetan, come up and stop just before the board, and then I'll guide you, okay?
Sure, sure.
Okay, turn left now, turn left, yeah.
Not too much.
Keep
Yeah,
coming.
that's
Keep coming.
the
Keep braking. Just come slowly, please. Otherwise, you'll damage the activity. Yeah, keep coming, turn right a bit.
Turn right.
Yeah, keep
Enough,
coming now,
enough,
come straight,
enough.
come straight, come straight. Now turn left, turn left.
come slowly, slowly. Don't keep braking. Keep
Okay,
slow.
okay.
So don't keep pumping the brakes, okay?
Okay.
Just keep coming slowly.
Slow. Turn right, turn right, turn right. Go, go,
Don't
go.
turn fully, just turn a little bit. Yeah, keep
Keep
no,
coming.
turn
Let
right,
go of
turn
the
right,
brake.
turn right,
Yeah.
turn right. Yeah, keep moving, keep moving. Turn right, yeah, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming.
Fine.
Yeah, you're good. Go.
Yeah, keep going. Left, turn left,
Turn left.
turn left. Yeah, keep. Come straight now. Now turn right fully.
Come, come, come. Turn right. slowly, nice and steady. Yeah, it's perfect. Straighten it out for you. Nice and easy. Straight.
Ethan, please take over.
Okay. Okay, now slow and steady. Nice and steady. Yeah, this is a pretty slow section that you have to be in. So you have to say, keep a little break and then put more on the throttle. That's all. You got this, just trust the car.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead. You got this, good. Good, good.
Sir, just look at me. Just look at me. It's not a big deal at all.
Oh.
Just relax.
Yeah.
Okay, just come up all the way here.
Go,
Come up.
Yeah.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Straighten out the series. Straighten it out.
Straight out, straight.
Yeah.
Yep. You good? And left. Straighten it out. Just a little. You gotta go through the cone, yeah?
Okay.
Just a little.
Yeah.
Left. Right. Turn right, turn right. Keep turning right. Keep turning right, right. Right. Perfect. You're good. Step. Turn left. Slowly. Nice and very slowly. Yep. Go straight. Straight.
Straight.
Yeah, straight. Yeah. Left. Turn little bit. Left. Okay. Let go.
Yeah.
Nice.
So it does its thing again over here.
Yeah, you stop there.
Yeah. So this right over here is descent as well as a right turn over here.
Come left a bit. Chetan, left. Yeah. Keep coming. Now straighten out the steering wheel. Straighten out. Now turn right. Turn right. Yeah. Very good. Turn right. Keep moving. Don't stop. Turn right. Keep moving. Slowly.
Left.
Turn right. So that you go up.
Go up. Left. No. Keep going. Go ahead. And we can start over there.
Yep.
Behind the white.
Now put it in drive and press the